Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming to you from Bemis Crafty Corner. And I went to Tuesday morning. I did. I went to Tuesday morning. And I got these. I got these for my boy because my boy loves gummy bears. So I got these. And there's 14 flavors in there. There's wild cherry, orange lime, mango, strawberry, watermelon, pink grapefruit, lemon, blue raspberry, green apple, pineapple, plus 2 extras, which is pina colada and peach. Right? And it says right there, MSRP $9.50, and I got it for $4.99. So I got those for my boy because he's a giant gummy bear. And then I found these for the Amy. The Amy found these, and then I showed her this. And now the Amy got these because she liked these. So I buy them for the Amy. So she got the Bo Bunny Brads, and she got the Sweet Clementine paper. I'll show you the paper. This is not my favorite pad. But the Amy liked it, so I got it for the Amy. So that's for the Amy. She knows she's got it, but I'm going to put it under the tree anyway. And then I got this. Now I got 2 of these. 36 pages. These are from Bo Bunny. It's called the Yuletide Carol Collection. Now I'm going to show you guys this one. That's it. 12 pages, and then it repeats. So it's 3 of 12 designs, 36 pages. So I got 2 of them. That's for next year. I won't use it this year. And then I found these. This is tags and pockets from the Flutter collection from Graphic 45. And they're pretty. And they're just, this is a tag and a tag and a tag and a tag and a label and a label and a tag and a pocket and a pocket and a pocket. And a label and a taggy thing and a label and a label and a label and a pocket. I like this one. This one's pretty. So I got that. And then I got 2 of these. These are the chipboards. And, you know, there's a couple tags in here and stuff. So I thought, you know, these are pretty cool. So I got those. And then, I got this. This is from Doodlebug Design. And it's called Home Stickers. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of stickers in there. So I grabbed those. And they're cardstock stickers. So I grabbed those because those are really cool. I don't like the letters, and there's 2 sheets of those. But I like the other stuff because there's cats and stuff and puppies. And then I got this. This is from Creative Diary Tape from Dilutions from Ranger. 6 rolls. And, you know, there's like one, this one's got letters on it. This one's got numbers on it, polka dots. And then there's 3 little ones. And I don't like the little ones, but they're in there anyway. So I grabbed those. And then I found this. This is Graphic 45. This is the Garden Goddess collection. And it's, you know, like journaling cards. And there's all the journaling cards. See, they look like that. Yeah. Okay. So I got those. Now, last week when I went to Scaventure, I got this, remember? Echo Park, A Perfect Winter. Well, guess what? I went in this week, and I found Echo Park, A Perfect Winter. Well, this is the I Love Winter, but it's pretty much the same thing. But look. It's all pretty much the same stuff. So, you know, I grabbed that because it works. It goes with this, and it matches everything. So I got that, and that was $2.29. So grab that. They had 2, but I took only 1 and I left the other one for someone else. Because I'm not greedy. And then I got these, and this was a good deal because I got a whole pack of these for like next to nothing. So these are Delusion 9x12 stencils for card making, journaling, and scrapbooking, colorized spritz stencils, and more. And it's a snowflake and like 3 bars and this big leaf and a star. And so there's 4 stencils in each one. And so I grabbed those, and I'm just going to put those right in my sale for like $2. Hello,
that's
Is
right.
that
We're at the
everything?
Tuesday
That was
morning.
everything?
And guess what? They got some stuff. I wanted to show you guys this one. This is Royal Langnickel Essentials Watercolor Art Set. And see, it's supposed to be $19.99, but it's marked down. Yeah, because whenever you see that ticket, that means it's marked down. So this is all marked down. So that's a watercolor set. Kind of cool. I like that. And then they had this. This is Montmartre fabric paint. And there's 8 colors in there for $6.99. Let's see, what's the number? 615-8256. See, they got the watercolors. Now, I want to show you guys something else, too, because you're going to really like this one. So over here, look at this. That's right. They have the lights, the pastels, and the darks. $19.99 for the Spectrum Noir coloring system. Now, here's the thing. These are alcohol markers, but they're chisel tip and fine tip. They're not like, you know, they don't have the brush tip. They only have 1 set of each. Well, they have 2 of the dark, but we're not talking about that. So the numbers on these are, let's see, dark, 221-9546, 221-9549, and 221-9547. Okay? So we got all of those. So I'm going to show those to you guys, okay? All right, so the next thing we got is this. The Art of Calligraphy for $9.99. Gives you 4 inks, a couple of nibs, and a few other things. Let's see. Instruction book, cartridge, pen, ink cartridges, gouache, classic stylus brush, workbook, and practice pad. Ooh, for $9.99. 2179136. They also have Merry Days from Crate Paper for $6.99. 215-3521. Let's take a look at this one. I'm going to hate this. Oh, it's painful. It's very painful. Ow. Okay, we're done with that. All right, so the other thing that we have in is this right here. This is My Mind's Eye Cozy Christmas. 48 sheets, $6.99, 216-7383. And why did they do this? Did they do this just to irritate me? Hold on, I'm going to give you to the Amy.
You didn't really want in there, did you?
Good Lord. All right, it's going to take 2 of us to flip this. Ready?
Okay, hold on. I don't have the phone right. Okay. Oh, I like the big polka dots. It's sort of cute.
Crate Paper, stop doing that. I'm not buying your pad. Now, they did have all the rest of the stuff in here. All right, so this stuff goes with the Cozy Christmas. $119 on this one. This is the chipboard. 21 pieces, 216-7387. They got the enamel dots for $199. 221-2555. They have some decorative brads for $199. 216-7385. And the tag ephemera pack here for $199, 216-7392. There's all the tags that are in there. That's it, guys. That's pretty much all they had today. This is the last week before Christmas, so we will not be seeing anything else. Ooh, what is this? Echo Park. I love winter frames. You know, I think I bought this pack. I'm going to buy this ephemera.
So, the first thing I got was this. And I got this really cheap. I got it for $1.99. Yup, I did. I'm taking the ticker off of it, though, because it was sticky. Okay, got it off of there. Now, I have to, you know, use a marker and take that off. Because that's, you know. Somebody put it on there, and it's been there for a while, so. But I can just, you know, use a dry erase marker and go over it. It'll come right off. But look, it's like a little weak thing, you know. And so I figured I could use this and put it up on the wall behind me over here so that I know, you know, that I got Witch and a Crazy Lady and Late Night Lunatics on Tuesday, and Wednesday I have to go do mixed media with the gals and, you know, stuff. And I think I'm going to start going live on Mondays and Thursdays. Or Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But I'm going to start going live during the day for like an hour. So I'm going to figure it out. But, you know, it came with all the mounting stuff and everything, and it was only $2. So I grabbed that. And then I was walking by, and I saw this in the fabric department. And so I had to grab it because, oh, my God, right? And it's burlap. It's just burlap. And it's got all these numbers on it. And I thought, you know, that's really cool. So I'm going to cut that down for January, too, because look at that. That's awesome, right? It's very Tim Holtzy. So I'm going to cut that down to make, you know, journal covers stuff. And then I got a bag. And the reason I got the bag was just because of what was in it. Because I could see what was in it. Because, you know, it's a bag. But I saw this. And these are just like little pop-top bottles. You know, you push up the pop-top. I pick up the one that doesn't want to pop up. There we go. Okay. Yeah, and then you can squirt stuff out of them. And, you know, I do my mixed media and stuff. And when I do that, everybody sees this bottle. And this is what I keep my decoupage in, you know, my Mod Podge. So I thought, you know, I could get some of these and put them in the store for you guys. And then you can have, like, your Mod Podge in it, too. So I got 6 of these, and they weren't that expensive. And, you know, I'll probably, like, $1. Who knows? But, you know, I got those. And then I got this, and I know Christmas is over. But I figured for next Christmas. Come on. So I got these. And the reason I got them was because, first off, there's this one. It's Christmas, have a ball. Isn't that cute? I love it. So that's Mary Engelbert. And I like her. And then I saw these, and I went, ooh. And then I opened it, and look, they're like completely unopened. There's like 3 of the 4 in here, right? And it's very nice linen napkin, linen envelopes. But look at how cute these are, right? I'm going to take this off. Look at how cute these are with the little snowman and stuff. And I thought, how adorable would these be, you know, on like a scrapbook page or something? So I grabbed them because they were really inexpensive. And these are paintings from Susan Wingett from 1999. And Susan Wingett, I've seen some stuff that she's designed for K & Company. So I grabbed these. They're just freaking adorable. So I got those. And I'll save them till next Christmas. And then I found this for the Amy 100 carbonless duplicating sets, tap page perforated. This is like, it's lab paper. And it, you know, does duplicate stuff, like when you write on it. So it copies through. And so I thought, you know, that's pretty cool. And so I grabbed that for the Amy, and she's going to tea dye the paper out of here. Right? So cool, right? She's going to tea dye that and put it in her store. And then I found this, and because, you know, I'm doing that ugly sweater thing, and, well, it's really kind of hard to find an ugly sweater that would fit me because I'm fat. But I found this, and it's a sweater, but it's a sweater vest. You know, it's like it's sleeveless. It's okay. I'll just wear a t-shirt underneath so you guys don't have to see my fat arms. But look at that color. Isn't that perfect? That's what I'm going to make my ugly sweater on. Yep, certainly going to. And it'll fit me too. So that's what I'm going to make my ugly sweater on. And so the Goodwill has bags too. And I found some jingle bells. And I like jingle bells. I put those on my tree. So the Goodwill also has bags. They have better bags. They're thicker. Yeah, they're thicker bags. Okay, so I got this bag. And the only reason I picked this up was because it had this in it. See, it's got like some Ricky Rack. It's got some blue and black and pink. And I have lots of blue, but I don't have any black or pink in the baby Ricky Rack. So I got that. And then I found this. These were on the shelf. And this was a whole pack of 7 gypsies. And these are Life is Good. I got 2 of those. And they're like book covers. There's like a front and a back in there. And one set, 2 pieces. And that's the back cover. And then there's this one, and there was 3 of these, and these are Paris. And that's the back cover. And so these are like, you know, you pop holes in them and make like flippy journals out of them with the rings, eye ring things. And there were 5 of them in the package, and it was like $1, so I grabbed that. No, I'm kidding. It wasn't $1. It was like $4. But still, they're like $1 a piece, and that was, you know, like very inexpensive. There's the back cover, see? There's Paris and the back cover. And this is the Life is Good and the back cover. So I got these. Probably going to sell those in my January sale as well. And then I went to Portisubs and I got my sandwich. And then I went and got some stuff to make my ugly sweater. And I can't show that to you. That's it. It's all I got, guys. I didn't get nothing else. All right. So, do me a favor. If you haven't done so yet, hit that red button and subscribe to my channel. Then like me, ring my bell, and share me. Because I got lab notebooks and Ricky Rack and jingle bells and an ugly sweater and some squeezy bottles. Till the next time, guys. Bye-bye.